Today's order of the day, apparent. What does it mean? Hey there, hopefully you are doing great. This is Mukta welcoming you all to this 100 days campaign of spoken English and basic English grammar crash course. আমাদের এই ভিডিও সেশনে দুটি পার্ট রয়েছে। প্রথম অংশে গ্রামার আলোচনা এবং পরের অংশে থাকছে সেই গ্রামার উপর কনভারসেশন। To begin with a question, feel, hear, notice, observe, overhear, see and watch, etc. এই সকল ভার্বগুলোর পর ভার্বের আইএনজি ফর্ম নাকি ভার্বের বেয়ার ইনফিনিটিভ ফর্ম এবং কেন? Today's order of the day, apparent. It's an adjective meaning clear. His anxiety was apparent to everyone present there. And the synonyms of apparent are clear, visible, obvious, evident, manifest, etc. Antonyms: hidden, obscure, secret, latent, etc. Let's come to the question. Feel, hear, notice, observe, overhear, see and watch, etc. এই সকল ভার্বগুলোর পর ভার্বের আইএনজি ফর্ম নাকি ভার্বের বেয়ার ইনফিনিটিভ ফর্ম এবং কেন? Both might be correct, but it depends on the situation because there is a subtle difference. Let's clarify. Verb plus object plus verb with ing form. Catch, discover, feel, hear, live, notice, observe, see, spot, watch, find, overhear, etc. For example, we can see the sun rising up in the sky. Verb plus object plus verb with ing form oblique bare infinitive. A few verbs such as feel, hear, notice, observe, overhear, see, and watch can be followed either by a verb ing form or a bare infinitive form, but the meaning may be slightly different. Verb plus object plus verb ing form. We use verb plus object plus verb ing form to suggest that the action is repeated or happens over a period of time. For example, did you hear those dogs barking most of the nights? Verb plus object plus verb ing form. We use verb plus object plus verb ing form to suggest that we watch, hear, eat some of the action but not from start to finish. For example, I was able to watch them building the new car park from my office window. Verb plus object plus bare infinitive form of a verb. We use verb plus object plus bare infinitive form to suggest that the action happens only once. For example, I noticed him throw a sweet wrapper on the floor, so I asked him to pick it up. Verb plus object plus bare infinitive. We use verb plus object plus bare infinitive form to suggest that we watch, hear, etc. the whole action from its start to its finish. For example, I watched him climb through the window and then I called the police. Let's have a review on the discussion. Verb plus object plus verb ing form if we get, then the sense will indicate that some of the action but not from start to finish. But if we get verb plus object plus verb bare infinitive form, then the sense will indicate that the whole action from its start to its finish. Now we are going to describe a picture and then your turn to do the same. Here is the picture. In this picture, we see a boy getting up from bed or waking up in the morning, and he is stretching his hands to be relaxed. Behind him, there is a watch fixed to the wall, and it is 6 o'clock showing on it. Outside the room, through the window, we can see the sun rising up. Besides the window, there is a bird chirping, sitting on a branch of a tree.
Here in this picture, we see a boy getting up from bed, waking up in this morning, and he is stretching his hands to be relaxed. Behind him, there is a watch fixed to the wall, and it is 6 o'clock showing on it. Outside the room, through the window, we can see the sun rising up. Beside the window, there is a bird chirping, sitting on a bench of a tree.
Now it's your turn to describe the picture about what you see in it. আজকের এই ভিডিও সেশন সম্পর্কে আপনাদের কোনো ফিডব্যাক বা কোয়েশ্চেন থাকলে প্লিজ let us know in the comment section below. We would appreciate your any type of questions regarding the topic. Spoken English and Basic English Grammar Crash Course 100 Days এর পরবর্তী ধারাবাহিক ভিডিও পেতে right here on YouTube and Facebook page English Parkz এ এখনই লাইক এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখুন. See all of you around with the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and have a nice time.